Hi, welcome to Nothing But Bags. My name is Liz. I call this space Nothing But Bags because whenever I'm getting ready to go somewhere, my outfit might be cute or whatever, but it's irrelevant to me. I'm only dressing so that it feels okay to carry the bag that I want. My outfit is an accessory. My handbag is the main event. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, welcome. Thank you so much for selecting this video. It's sincerely appreciated. And if you're one of my returning friends, the people that I do this for so that I can talk about bags with people that love bags, you know how I feel about you. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. So as you saw from the thumbnail title of this video, we are going to be talking about the Brahmin Iola Tote. So right about now, I'm going to be sticking in the video of me unboxing the bag. And essentially, I got this bag because I have wanted the YSL Eye Care Tote. I love that bag. I love that beautiful, big, black lambskin leather bag. However, that bag costs $5,000. And my mental meter for buying bags, it shakes at 3,000. It shakes at 3,000. It would break off at 5. So while I love the bag, I simply can't see myself spending $5,000 for the bag when it's a bag that I would not be carrying on a daily basis. Unfortunately, my lifestyle isn't set up that way. So one of my favorite content creators that I watch in the handbag community is Deandra Moulton. I love her because to be as young as she is, her aesthetic level and her taste level is so mature and so grown. And one of the things that she does often is she will like a luxury handbag that's expensive from her perspective, and she will find a luxury option that doesn't cause her to cheat herself on the luxury portion of it. She wants luxury. She wants something that's long lasting, that's good quality, that's beautiful, that meets it, that lives with her, that operates within her aesthetic. However, she doesn't want to spend that ridiculous amount of money to get it. So what she'll often do is she will find a luxury alternative. And so when I saw this bag come up on Instagram, it actually came up the croc embossed brown version of this bag. I'll try to put a picture of that in here somewhere. That came up on my Instagram feed. And I looked on Brahmin and it wasn't there on Brahmin. So I looked on Macy's and they did have this in black. And it gave me all of the feels of the Eye Care Tote. Now I know it's not as big, obviously. It's not as wide as the Eye Care Tote. And it's deeper than the Eye Care Tote. I'm going to put the dimensions of the bag somewhere on the screen here. Its depth is deeper than the Eye Care Tote because the Eye Care Tote has a very thin silhouette, but in terms of the shape, even though it's not as wide as that bag, are you seeing what I'm saying? Do you see the general vibe of the bag? It's very similar to the Eye Care Tote. So just kind of walking around the bag, it's a black leather bag. I'm holding it. It's heavy out because I got my laptop in it because I wanted to show you how I stuffed the bag. It says Brahmin right there on that plate on the front. This is the side view. This is the back view. It does have a back pocket. And this is the other side view. And the bag does feature 4 feet on the bottom. And this bottom is, can you hear that? It's a structured bottom. It's a structured bottom to the bag. So I wore the bag to work today. Love this bag. Love this bag. It's beautiful to me. So this bag is a 1/10 of the price of the YSL Tote. The YSL Tote is $4,900 some before taxes or I guess shipping. This bag was $490 some. It's literally a 1/10 of the price of the bag. And then after I received the bag, I received it yesterday. After I received it, I got an email from Macy's telling me the price had dropped $133. So I politely called them on the phone. And I said, can y'all run me my $133 bag? Can I get a price adjustment, please? Because, yeah. But I love this bag. I absolutely love this bag. So in the back pocket, I stuck my phone. I'm filming on my phone, so this is just a phone case. But I have that in the back pocket. In the inside of the bag is a light tannish, silky material. And that's the organizer in there. Forgive the pink organizer, but I didn't realize I would need one when I order the bag. So I use the organizer from my Neverfull in here. I do have a organizer in there. On one side of the bag, there is a zip pocket. If I can get it open. There's a zip pocket, super smooth. It goes all the way to the, if you can see my finger, goes all the way to the bottom of the bag. And on the other wall, it has 2 slip pockets. It has a slip pocket on this side, and I have my work badge over here. And my work badge over here. Company stuff to be on the video. And I'll put it over there so you can see. And I had another slip pocket over here. And on this side, I just had a card case. I have a Brahmin wallet, but I did not want to carry all of my cards with me. So this is just a Michael Kors black simple card holder that I had in here to go with that until I found me a Brahmin card holder. And it also has these 2 little slip, where my finger is, these little slip, this little leather strip, and it has these 2 little slips here. So I guess you could put like pins there. But inside of here, I have obviously my work laptop. It's an 11-inch, I believe, 11.5-inch, almost 12-inch laptop. I had inside of my organizer, I had my charger, my little battery pack stuck in a slip pocket in the organizer. And then the only other things on the inside were my Brahmin cosmetic pouch in this croc embossed leather, the Brahmin croc embossed leather. And inside of here, I put my cord for my laptop. I put my mouse, my wireless mouse for my laptop. I have my fan, handy dandy fan, which y'all know I take everywhere with me because I'm 50 and I get hot. And when it get hot, if there's no air circulating, got that in here. I have my AirPods in here. And I have a extra cord to charge my cell phone or my AirPods if needed. And I also had in here my little magnetic stand. So if I wanted to watch one of my favorite YouTubers on here, like D'Angelo Bolton, I could stick this up and magnetically put my phone here and sit it up so I could watch videos. And that was all that was in my cosmetic pouch. So I had that in there. And then the only other thing I had in here was my Brahmin, I think this is a toilet. I think this is a toiletry pouch. I'll put the right name on here. But this is, it's just got Brahmin on the top, and it's got that croc embossed leather on the top, gold hardware. And in here you can see everything that's in there. It's clear. I just had my picks, my Touchland hand sanitizer, some lotion, some lipstick, some lip gloss, some chapstick, some tissue, some medicine, a wet one, and one of those individual Curad, first aid kits that I saw Dazzle have in her bag. Just so I had some Band-Aids and stuff in there, and a Tide pen. So that's all I had in here. So I had this inside the bag. I had my cosmetic pouch inside the bag, housing all my electronicals, and the card case. I gotta get me a Brahmin card case. But anyway, love this bag. This bag for me, in my mind, I'll be using to travel for work when I have to go on a business trip and I need to carry my my laptop. I can have that inside of here, and I think it's a really good, it looks like a handbag almost to me. So I love the hobo style of it and how it looks like a handbag, but it still carries everything like it's a work bag. I think this is a lot sexier than the Neverfull to me. And it gives me I think it's going to scratch the itch of the eye care tote. I think it makes me feel like while I don't have that bag, this bag kind of checks all those boxes, and it doesn't cheat me of having the luxury feel. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this bag. Let me know if you already have the bag or if you consider the bag. Again, it does come in a chocolate brown croc embossed leather, but I just don't like Brahmin croc embossed leather because it's so structured It doesn't have any give to it. So I don't really like my bags in that textile or that fabrication, but I do love their leather very, very much. So I thought this would be a cool addition to my collection. I'm hoping this is my last unboxing for the year because I've done enough. I've really done enough. I've been very responsible. But anyway, I'm looking forward to traveling with this. I think, because I even thought about it when I was coming home from work. If I had a $5,000 tote, would I really want to put that on the floor in the airplane when I'm traveling? And would I even think about putting the overhead compartment? So I don't even know if I Care tote would have fit my travel style if I had gotten it anyway, especially for that kind of money. And then I wouldn't be able to carry it that often either, because I really don't need a big bag on a day-to-day basis. This is just because I had to go into the office today. So anyway, drop that comment section. Tell me if you've seen this bag, have considered it, if you have this bag. If you don't, if you have the I Care tote, tell me, do you think that this is a comparable option? Am I still meeting my desire for a luxury handbag that I can use for work and travel without the cost? Would you consider this, if you have the I Care tote, as an option? Let me know in the comment section. The only thing I think I left out was also there is a, I left out two things, y'all. I'm sorry. Before I let y'all go, I do have a key keeper in here. They have my key on it. And this bag doesn't have a zipper compartment, but it does have a little catch at the top, so you can kind of secure the bag at the top a little bit. So I really, really like this bag, y'all. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited about it. Anyway, drop down in the comment section. Tell me if you have the bag, if you considered it, if it's not a consideration, if you got the brown one, if you think this is compatible with the I Care tote. And the only other thing that I will ask of you is that you have an absolutely wonderful day.